Hi kindergarten, this is Mrs. Rohrig. Today is May 5th, and on May 5th we celebrate Cinco de Mayo. So I went on to Epic and I typed in Cinco de Mayo in the search, and I found a lot of books all about Cinco de Mayo. So I wanted to choose one of them to read to you today. The one I'm going to read is called We Celebrate Cinco de Mayo in Spring. So if I click on it, I can see that the author is Jenna Lee Gleesner, and we are going to go ahead and read all of the chapters in this book. There are 4 chapters in this book, and I'm going to read all of them to you. Before we begin, I do want to let you know that Cinco de Mayo means the 5th of May. So today is May 5th, so that's why we celebrate Cinco de Mayo. Spring begins. Spring is here. It gets warmer. It is time for a fun holiday. Cinco de Mayo is Spanish. It means 5th of May. It is on May 5th. We celebrate this holiday in the United States. Some people in Mexico do too. If you look over at the picture, it says, "What do you see?" How many girls are dancing? Well, up close, I can see 1, 2 girls dancing, but in the background of our picture, I actually see a lot more. We celebrate Mexican culture. Kim learns about a big battle in Mexico on this day. Fun parties. We watch parades. Bands play lively music. People dance and laugh. Maya's mom cooks tacos. Her family enjoys the holiday together. If you look over at the picture, it says, "What do you see?" What toppings does Maya's mom put on her tacos? If you look at the tacos, it looks like hamburger, tomatoes, cheese, and lettuce. Delicious. Dress up. Some people dress up. They wear sombreros. This hat over here is called a sombrero. Rosa wears a long dress. It has the colors of Mexico's flag. If you look at Rosa's dress, what colors are on the Mexican flag? Green, red, and white. If you think about the United States flag is red, white, and blue. So it's different. How do you celebrate Cinco de Mayo? Well, I know in my household, we are very much like Maya's family in our story. She celebrated by eating tacos. I think we are going to do the same on Cinco de Mayo. Let us know how you celebrate Cinco de Mayo. I hope you have a great day.